winter melon snake gourd tomato rice. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most unique of the veg recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the fried rice recipes and one of the most nutritious of the tomato recipes and one of the most different of the winter melon recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the snake gourd recipes. Today we are going to make winter melon snake gourd tomato rice. The ingredients are 200 grams of snake gourd, 200 grams of winter melon cut into pieces, 2 green chillies, 3 tomatoes cut into small pieces, 1 piece of mace, 1.5 spoons of fennel seeds, 25 grams of ginger, 20 shallots, 25 grams of garlic, and few cilantro or coriander leaves. Heat the pan and pour in 10 ml of oil. Put in the mace piece, salt, salt the mace, now put in the fennel seeds, things out of it. Now put in the ginger pieces, salt, the ginger, salt the relish, now put in the garlic and the shallots, and the lid. Now put in the tomato pieces. Chillies. Put in the watermelon piece. Onions. Put in salt to taste. Mix. Mix thoroughly. Pour in 50 to 300 ml of water. Mix. and let the mixture cook for 8 to 10 minutes if in the pressure cooker, or 20 to 25 minutes if in the open pan. After cooking for the required amount of time, put in a cup of washed and soaked rice, mix and let the mixture cook for 6 to 8 minutes if the pressure cooker, or 15 minutes if in the open pan. Now the winter melon, snake gourd, tomato rice is ready. It can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final winter melon, snake gourd, tomato rice. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the veg recipes and one of the most unique of the tomato recipes and one of the most nutritious of the winter melon recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the snake gourd recipes and one of the most easiest of the fried rice recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.